Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. For this video, I will be just doing a quiet flip through of Story Album Volume 1 and the dates that I did these layouts. I will leave a playlist for all of the ones I have process videos for down below. Some of them are also on Reels. And if you would like to know more details as to our products and or the stories that were told in each page, I will have another video flipping through this that will be the chattier one. So let's get started.